Good morning, traders. Hello from sunny Portugal. It's the 26th of January and it's nearly 11 a.m. My name is Vasco and I've been trading the Forex markets for about 5 years now, and more recently, about a year and a half, the options market. And I decided to make this video and probably another two or three um, after seeing the sheer volume of scam videos that I found on YouTube about option trading, and the scam artists trying to sell you the false notion that you can make thousands of dollars in a minute and in minutes, and that you will become a millionaire. And I'm going to show you why their bullshit is completely false. I mean, it's not impossible to make thousands of dollars in a minute, but it would be pure dumb luck, and it would be gambling, pure gambling. It doesn't have anything to do with trading. It doesn't have anything to do with trading strategies, because these guys and girls that come onto that have their YouTubes posted on YouTube, their videos posted on YouTube, sorry, they don't know anything about what trading is about. They don't know anything of what they're talking about. They don't explain any strategy. They don't know what the indicators that they put on the screen are about. When they open their mouth, the only thing that comes out is rubbish, because anything that you can hear, I mean, anybody that, even if you're not a trader and you hear their logic, you can see that it's all bullshit. It's impossible. Okay? First of all, their videos are all about 5, 6, 10, 15 minutes, even 15 minutes long. It's impossible to explain a strategy in 15 minutes. It's impossible to I mean, there isn't even any logic in the way that they trade. Okay? And another thing is, don't be fooled by their trading account numbers and their being green on here. For example, I'm going to start showing you this strategy based on an initial $300 deposit. This is a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. On my real trading account, I have, well, different amount, but for you guys and girls to understand that you can make money in the options market with a small deposit, initial deposit, I brought my demo account down to 300, and I'm going to explain to you a strategy that will probably take 3 to 4 videos plus a PDF file that I'm setting up, which is completely free and that I'll send to you on request, to explain this simple strategy to help you make money with a strategy that works, but will not make you thousands of dollars, but it will also not lose you thousands of dollars, and it won't help you blow your account. Okay? All the other so-called strategies, or the majority, I'm not saying that everybody's like this, but the majority, I mean, above 95% of the videos that I watched on YouTube about option trading, not so much in forex trading, but forex trading is another logic. It's completely different from option trading. But in terms of the option trading market, surely above 95% of the videos that I watched are all scam videos. The people that are on there, they don't know what they're saying. They're just, for you to understand, they shoot about 10, 11, 12 videos until they get one where they have a lucky streak of 5, 6, 7, 8 wins, and then they post that on the internet and saying, "Oh wow, good job! Look at my strategy. Wow, I started with $400. Now I have $5,866 in my account in just what? Oh, 10 minutes. Wow, this is great. Great job. And There's a lady with a French accent on there that has tons of scam videos. There's the other guys with sunglasses on there that have tons of scam videos. There are these other guys that start trading with $10 and $50 and think that they're, I mean, they have one or two lucky streaks winning, and then they say, "Ooh, well, now I'm going to end the video, well, the purpose of this is to start a momentum and stuff." Okay, but where's the strategy? Explain the strategy. There's no strategy. It's gambling. These guys are scam artists. Okay. What I'm going to try to do is, in 3 or 4 videos, explain a strategy that will make you money. Not tons of money, but a lot of money if you compare it to picking up your money and putting in a bank, or a 9-to-5 job, or something else that is usual or common in the marketplace. You will see that the probability of you making heaps of profit compared to that is I mean, it's much greater. Okay, for example, if you start with a $300 initial deposit and you put that in a bank, in Portugal at least, to make $30, you would have to wait about 2 years, and that's before taxes and commissions. So you will probably end up losing money after taxes and commissions. So instead of having $300 in the bank in 2 years, you'd have about 200 and something. Okay, that's the way the market is. So this is much more profitable if you have a strategy that will give you an edge, and will send you a signal and show you how to get into trades that have a higher probability of winning, okay, and a higher expectancy of winning. And that's what you want. And you have to be strict with the rules, you have to obey the rules, you have to be patient, disciplined, and have focus. Or if you're not able to do that, if you're not able to copy paste the same thing over and over and over again, you have no place in trading. You're going to lose your money. Okay, it's as simple as that. One of my initial mentors told me one of the biggest truths in trading was, when trading becomes boring is when you start making money. And that's the biggest truth in trading. I mean, if your adrenaline is up there, if you're feeling always excited, and I mean, this is like fun for you, then you're going to lose your money. When it starts becoming boring and repetitive and copy paste, do repeat, when it starts getting into systematic and you don't even have to think about it, and it becomes boring, that's when you're sure that you're going to start making money. Before that, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, you're going to lose money, and if you continue like that, start bending rules, not obeying to the rules, start being greedy and getting your risk higher, then you're probably going to bust your account and blow it up and lose your money. Okay, this is not what this is about. This strategy. This strategy is something that you'll have to start with something above the $250 or euro initial deposit. This is simple. This is simple, and I'll explain why. It's because one of the biggest problems in trading is people start to get greedy, and if you're not making enough money back from your investment, and I don't mean it has to be a huge amount, but if you're not comfortable with the amount that you're making on each trade, what happens is that you have the tendency to start increasing your trading amount, and your risk of losing your capital, your initial capital, goes up as well, and you bust your account. So if you start with a $50 or $100 initial deposit, the probability of you start taking higher risk trades, bigger amounts per trade, is much bigger than if you start with a $300, a $500, or a $1,000 initial deposit with this strategy that I'm going to show you in these videos and the PDF file, because you won't feel so tempted to make bigger trades. Okay, I hope you understand the logic of this, because, for example, you start one of the rules of this strategy is, for example, I'm going to start with a 300 initial deposit, right? This means that my initial trading amount will be $3. This means $1 for each $100 that I have in my trading account. Okay, so this means if I have $100, my initial bet, my initial trade will be $1. If I have $300, it'll be $3. If I have $500, it'll be $5. If I have $1,000, it'll be $10. Okay, so what happens is, if I have an 82% profit payback with $1, I will make back 82 cents in one trade. Now, I don't know how you might feel about making 82 cents. I mean, it is 82%, which is a huge amount, but making 82 cents, your brain will start thinking, 82 cents, wow, that's really a small amount. Okay, but it is 82%, guys, okay? But in your brain, you're gonna be 82 cents only. I'm going to up this up to, I've only got $100 in my account, but I'm going to put this and start trading $2 or $3 or $5 in my initial trading amount. Okay, because if this strategy is as good as he says, well, I'm going to make money anyway. But that's not how it works, because there is no 100% guaranteed trading strategy out there. Okay, so this strategy is based on $1 for each, your initial amount, trading amount is $1 for each $100 that you have in your account. Okay, so I think, from my experience, anyone that starts below the $250 initial deposit will start to feel tempted to make bigger trades and loses his or her money. Okay, so guys, this is a trade for you to make, to start with a $300, 250 upwards initial deposit. Another thing is, the expectancy that you might have is also quite big. I mean, I only trade 2 hours a day, normally from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And for example, for a $300 initial amount, you can expect something from $100 to $150 each day for 2 hours of work, which is huge. If you think of it, it's huge. It's between 30 to 50% return on your investment. I mean, it's huge. And what happens is, then you get up to the $400 range, and your initial trading amount won't be $3, will be $4, and that means that the next day or in the following days you will be starting making above the $150 per day. I mean, if you think of it, you can make, if you comply by the rules and if you're patient, disciplined, and focused, you can make about $2,000 a month, starting with a $300 deposit. Okay, of course, it's not the $300 that are going to make you the 2,000. It's growing and compounding your initial deposit and your initial trading amount starting to slowly step up. Okay, that's going to make you the money. So in this initial video, I just wanted to call to your attention the problems that you have with following scam artists. For this strategy, as I told you, I'm going to shoot a few videos, about 3 or 4 videos. I don't know how many it's going to be in the end, but it's going to have also a PDF file with all step by step on how to set up the I'm going to go through a video with this, but I have the PDF file that you can request. You'll find my email below this video, so please feel free to send me an email requesting the PDF file, which I will send you free of charge, of course, and no strings attached, which will explain how to set up the IQ Option platform. Oh, by the way, IQ Option is by far the best option trading platform out there at the moment. So, I mean, by far, it's intuitive, it's graphically, it's excellent, it works well, the response is excellent, so I highly recommend it. And at the bottom, right below this video, you can find, you will also need it, of course, you will need to open a demo account on the IQ Option platform before you can start trading options. So please do so. Click on the link below, go to the IQ Option platform and open the trading demo trading account. It's really easy. They open it instantly. To start trading with real money, they will only need a copy of your ID document and a proof of residency, which will be, I don't know, a service bill like an electrical bill, or a water bill is more than enough for them for proof of residency, and they'll set up your real account really quick. Okay, but before you can do anything, open the demo account, go on the link below, click the link below, open the demo account, which we will open in about 5 minutes, and don't forget, request the PDF file through my email and I'll send it on to you. Okay, so for this initial video, I think it's enough, and I'll shoot a next video and post it on my YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you.